In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Squarespace website, whether you're stepping away from your website temporarily or just need to log out of your account for security reasons. This process is quick and simple. By following these steps, you'll ensure your session ends properly and your account remains secure. If you don't already have a Squarespace account but are considering using the platform, you can find a link in the description to get started. To begin, head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, log in using your account credentials. Alternatively, if your account is linked to Google, you can simply use the Continue with Google option to sign in. If you've set up another login method, you can use that as well. Just make sure you're accessing the correct account that's tied to your Squarespace site before moving forward. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From the drop-down menu, navigate to Account Settings. Clicking on this will bring you to a new page where you can manage details about your account. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right place before continuing. Now, look for the option to log out. Once you find it, click on Log Out to sign out of your account completely. This step is important to make sure your session ends properly, especially if you're using a shared or public device. Logging out ensures that no one else can access your account once you're finished. Finally, close your browser tab to complete the process. Before you do this, make sure that all your changes are saved, just in case you were working on something important before logging out. Keep in mind that closing the tab only ends your current session. It does not delete your Squarespace account or affect your website in any way. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of your Squarespace account and closed your session. Remember, these steps are vital for maintaining account security, especially if you're using a shared computer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.